Welcome to Christine Valmy, the pioneer in aesthetics education and leader in educated skincare. We're going to be showing you how to include our innovative products in your salon treatments. Christine Valmy combines the best cutting-edge ingredients from around the world with Chinese herbal medicine and homeopathy to create results-oriented products. Ayurveda plays a particular role in our treatments by allowing the skin first to be fully purged or cleansed before it can completely absorb nutrients, hydration, and beneficial ingredients. All our products are natural and do not contain any parabens, sulfates, artificial colors, additives, or preservatives, and are not tested on animals. We're going to demonstrate how to perform our alpha hydroxy acid, vitamin C, antioxidant, and brightening facial treatment. To perform this facial, you'll need Dermafluid Cleanser, 5.5 Toner, our new Cherry Alpha Hydroxy Acid Gel, Vitamin C Powder to Cream, Vitamin C Serum, our new Cherry Hydrating Mask, and Ecran Daytime Protection Lotion. First, using cotton pads, we apply Christine Valmy's Dermafluid Cleanser, which contains horse chestnut and lavender to soothe, and meadow foam seed oil to break down makeup and remove dirt, debris, and pollution. Next, follow with Christine Valmy's best-selling 5.5 Toner to restore the proper pH to the skin and finish the cleansing process. Coltsfoot, Dandelion, and Spirulina nourish and refresh the skin. Now, apply a thin layer of Christine Valmy's new 20% Cherry Alpha Hydroxy Acid Exfoliation, featuring a gentle combination of hibiscus and lactic acids combined with cardiospermum, seaweed, and fermented lotus to give maximum results without any redness or irritation. Remove the gel after 2 to 3 minutes with dampened cotton pads and repeat the process a second time. You can leave it on for another 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the sensitivity of the skin. Next, apply Christine Valmy's revolutionary Vitamin C Powder to Cream. This powerful treatment uses pure vitamin C for an immediate infusion of antioxidant benefits. It stimulates collagen production, fights free radical damage, smooths fine lines, and evens out skin tone. Apply a small amount until it slowly disappears into the skin. Follow immediately with Christine Valmy's best-selling Vitamin C Serum from our signature serum collection for an additional dose of vitamin C. Pumpkin enzymes with lycopene and turmeric help the serum penetrate deeper into the skin to drive faster results. Apply 10 drops over the entire face, gently massaging it and pressing it into the skin until fully absorbed. The skin is immediately brighter, softer, and noticeably rejuvenated. At this point of your treatment, you can use the positive cathodic polarity of the galvanic therapy to spur penetration. Next, apply the new Christine Valmy Organic Cherry Hydrating Mask. This soft whipped mask contains bee pollen, ginseng, retinol, rose, and calendula for a deliciously decadent hydrating treatment. These ingredients are also ideal for minimizing wrinkles, bags, and dark circles, so the mask can be applied to the delicate under eye area. Apply a thin layer all over the face and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, apply Christine Valmy's new Rejuvenating Eye Compresses, which are soaked in a natural eye elixir containing asparagus, cucumber, and amla, which tighten under eye skin, while mushroom extract minimizes the appearance of wrinkles. Remove the mask using the efficient Valmy Mummy Mask method. Simply split a cotton piece into 3 pieces, apply over the face and neck, and gently remove. Finally, we'll apply Christine Valmy's Ecran Daytime Protection Lotion, which contains a carbohydrate that binds moisture to the skin, as well as green and white teas to fight free radicals. It allows the skin to breathe while preventing makeup and dirt from penetrating into the pores. Follow with Christine Valmy's Val Sun Sunscreen. Once you have completed your Christine Valmy skin treatment, your client's skin will be left brighter, hydrated and completely rejuvenated, a stunning testament to Kristen Valmy's natural, results-oriented products. For more information about these or additional products, please visit KristenValmy.com. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for choosing Kristen Valmy, a leader in innovative, effective, and educated skincare.